Well, here we are back up at the camp on Mount Akagi. It's actually October 18th, a Tuesday. We came up last night and stayed over, and we started our day coming up to our favorite lookout point here and getting the view at 7:30 in the morning. Mr. Yuji Mitsui, who's a faithful member of our board and a member of the Chigasaki Covenant Church, he came up in his truck this time. It had a cherry picker on it, and it's allowed us to do a whole bunch of tasks around the camp where we needed a little height. And so this morning we've been trimming a lot of trees around the main building. They had sort of grown over pretty thick during the summer. That's a little battery pack chainsaw that he's using. It's a pretty slick unit, isn't it? And so we were able to drop a bunch of branches that had sort of completely were covering the kitchen and part of the roof on our building. Well, aside from just clearing out, trimming the trees, and doing some other tasks around the camp, we were able to check on the back area where they had torn down the oldest section. Here's what's left. It's pretty amazing to look at. Very different from last Friday when I came up and it looked like a tsunami had hit this building. It's been very carefully cleaned up and all the stuff hauled away, and pretty exciting to see. It's actually a little bit bigger footprint area than we had expected, or it just seems wider anyway. And it sort of exposes our main building, and you can see we still have a bit of work to do where the two buildings were connected. We've just framed in a window quickly, but we'll have to put on some new siding and do some painting, get ready for next season. Fall is moving along pretty fast here. It is actually pretty cold. There's a few leaves left, but it's quickly turning into winter up here at 1,400 meters, and so we're going to be draining all the water and doing some other things to get ready for winter and sort of closing the place down. Well, here's a view of the camp from the front now with the old section missing. It's actually sort of a nice feel, and it's going to give us a lot of extra space. Thanks for praying for this project and giving towards it, and we're pretty excited to see what we're going to do with this next spring to get ready for camping next summer. Thanks for watching and for praying for Akagi Bible Camp.